Have you ever wondered what's making you feel alive?
Is it your heartbeat, your breath, or maybe something much deeper? From the tiniest bacteria to the tallest trees and even as humans, all living things share something special.
In this video, we're diving into the secrets of life itself, the characteristics of living things.
Come with us and get ready to explore how life is built, how it survives, and why even the smallest cell can make the biggest difference.
Did you know that every living thing on Earth, including you, is made up of tiny structures called cells?
Cells are the basic building blocks of life. Just like how bricks build a house, cells build all living organisms. Some living things like bacteria are made up just one cell and we call them unicellular. Others like plants and humans are made of millions or even trillions of cells. They're multicellular. Each cell performs important jobs like breathing, growing, and producing energy to keep the organisms alive. According to the cell theory, the cell is the basic unit of life. All living things are made up of one or more cells, and all cells come from pre-existing cells. Without cells, there would be no life at all. So remember, cells are the foundation of every living thing.
All living things use energy to live, grow, and stay healthy. This energy comes from a process called metabolism.
Metabolism has two parts, anabolism and catabolism. Anabolism builds and repairs the body, helping it grow and store energy. Catabolism breaks down food to release energy that we use every day. These two processes work together to keep living things alive and active. They help us move, grow, and respond to what happens around us. In short, metabolism is what keeps all living things alive and strong. Without it, life would not be possible.
All living things grow and develop. Growth means an increase in size and height. It's not just about getting bigger. It also means there are changes happening inside the organs.
From birth to maturity, living things go through many stages. For example, humans grow from babies to adults, and plants grow from seed to big trees. Even tiny organisms like bacteria grow and reach maturity. Every living thing also has a lifespan or the length of time it can live. Humans usually live about 60 to 70 years, while some plants like the Nara tree can live for more than 100 years. In short, growth and development are signs that something is alive.
Another most amazing characteristics of living things is the ability to respond to stimuli.
Every living organism, from the tiniest bacteria to the largest animals, react to changes in their environment. For example, when we touch something hot, we quickly pull our hand away. Plants grow towards sunlight to get the energy they need. Even small creatures like a cat react when they hear a sound or see movement. This ability to respond to stimuli is what keeps living things alive and help them survive. It allows us to adapt, protect ourselves, and interact with the world around us. So let's appreciate how our bodies and minds are designed to sense and respond.
Have you ever wondered how plants, animals, and tiny creatures work together to make our world alive? Living things interact when they depend on each other and their surroundings to survive.
In nature, plants give food and oxygen for animals and people, while animals help plants grow by spreading their seeds. Even decomposers play a big role by cleaning the environment and returning nutrients to the soil. In our community, people plant trees, care for animals, and protect nature because we all need one another to live. This interaction is truly important because it keeps balance in nature and reminds us that every living thing, no matter how small, has a purpose in keeping our world alive, healthy, and beautiful.
Hey there! Have you ever wondered how living things continue to exist on Earth, generation after generation?
That's because living things can reproduce.
They make offspring of their own kind. Reproduction keeps life going and stops species from disappearing. In nature, birds lay eggs that hatch into baby birds, and plants grow from tiny seeds. In our community, our pet dogs and cats give birth to adorable puppies and kittens. Even our farmers help in reproduction when they plant seeds that grow into rice and vegetables we eat every day. Reproduction is super important because it keeps the cycle of life alive, from one generation to the next. This is Erich, reminding you that life goes on because living things reproduce.
All living things modify themselves to their surroundings in order to live. Through this process is known as adaptation. But ever thought how animals and plants are able to live and survive even when their environment is changed?
Adaptation aids organisms in their reaction to changes in the surrounding environment. For instance, a polar bear endures in cold regions due to the thick fur coat, and a bird will alter its diet when seeds are unavailable. When such adaptations persist across numerous generations, it results in evolution, the slow modification of species over time. In other words, adaptation aids living organisms to survive in their surroundings, and evolution occurs due to long-term adaptation. This indicates that life continually changes and gets better in order to survive.
Life on Earth shows organization, starting from the smallest unit, the atom, which combines to form molecules.
These molecules make up the cell, the basic unit of life. Similar cells form tissues, tissues form organs, and organs work together as organ systems. For example, in humans, the small intestine is an organ that's part of the digestive system, which helps the whole body function efficiently. This organization makes living things complex and well coordinated. All living things, whether simple or complex, show organization from a single cell to a complete organism. This system helps them survive, grow, and perform life processes properly.